Have you ever felt out of balance, emotionally drained, or spiritually disconnected? It might be your chakras trying to tell you something. Chakras are the 7 main energy centers in your body that influence your physical, emotional, and spiritual well being. And in this video, we'll dive deep into what the chakras are, what they represent, and how you can align them for a more balanced, harmonious life. Plus, stick around because at the very end, I'm going to share with you a powerful secret about how to quickly identify which of your chakras might need the most attention. Let's get started. Let's start with the root chakra. Okay, it's located at the base of your spine, the tailbone area. The color that represents it is red. It is an earth element, and its purpose, the root chakra, is all about grounding and stability, survival. It's your foundation, connecting you to the earth, um, connecting you to the physical world, and providing a sense of safety and security. The signs of imbalance are anxiety, fear, financial instability, feeling ungrounded, or physical issues like pardon me, like lower back pain, for example. How to balance it is you eat grounding foods like root vegetables, potatoes, carrots, beets, and you practice grounding exercises like walking barefoot on the earth in the grass. Um, the grounding mats are fine as well if you can't get outside. And use affirmations. Use the I am affirmations, such as I am safe, I am secure, I am grounded. And the crystals that correspond with the root chakra are red jasper, black tourmaline, and hematite. Those access the properties, or those have the properties in them, rather, that help the root chakra stay balanced. Okay, now we're going to move into the sacral chakra. It is located in your lower abdomen. It's about 2 inches below the navel. The color that represents it is orange, and it is a water element. The purpose for the sacral chakra is it governs creativity, emotions, sexuality, passion. It's the energy center for joy and pleasure. Signs of imbalance would be lack of creativity, emotional instability, low libido, or guilt. How you balance that out, you incorporate orange colored foods like oranges, mangoes, carrots, things like that. You engage in creative activities like painting, dancing, maybe journaling. And you're going to use affirmations like, I embrace my creativity and passion. And the crystals that have the energies that match the frequency of your sacral chakra will be your carnelian, your orange calcite, and your moonstones. Next up is the solar plexus chakra. It's located in your upper abdomen near the stomach, and the color that is represented is yellow, and it is a fire element. And its purpose is the seat of personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. It helps you take action, feel in control of your life. And the signs of imbalance are going to be like low self-esteem, procrastination, digestive issues, or aggression, even. And then how you balance those out is you can eat some yellow foods like bananas, pineapples, corn, practice power poses or confidence boosting activities, use affirmations such as I am strong, confident, and in control. And then the crystals that have the properties that represent this chakra, the solar plexus chakra, are citrine, tiger's eye, and amber. Okay, now we're moving up to the heart chakra, and it's in the center of your chest. The color that's represented is green, and it is an air element. And the purpose of the heart chakra is the bridge It's the bridge between the physical and the spiritual chakras. It represents love, compassion, forgiveness, and connection. And the signs of imbalance will be difficulty forgiving, lack of empathy, heartbreak, even respiratory issues. And then how you balance those out, you're going to eat green foods like spinach and kale, broccoli, practice gratitude and acts of kindness, use affirmations like I am open to love and compassion. And then the crystals that have the energies to represent the heart chakra are rose quartz, green aventurine, and jade. Okay, now we're going to talk about the throat chakra. It is in your throat. It is represented by the color blue, and it is ether or space element. And the purpose of the throat chakra is about communication, self-expression, speaking your truth. Signs of imbalance will be difficulty expressing yourself, fear of speaking, sore throat or neck pain even. How you balance it out, you drink herbal teas and stay hydrated. You practice journaling or speaking affirmations out loud. There are plenty of affirmations videos on the channel if you need them. Use affirmations such as like I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. And then the crystals that have the properties represented good for the throat chakra are blue lace agate, sodalite, and turquoise. Okay, now we're moving up to the third eye chakra. Right between the eyebrows, right there. And indigo is the color that represents the third eye chakra. It is a light element, and the purpose of the third eye chakra is the center of intuition, insight, and spiritual awareness. I don't know why I just did all of that. I don't know why. Back to the third eye. Third eye. Represented by indigo, it's the light element. The third eye chakra is the center of intuition, insight, and spiritual awareness. Signs of imbalance would be lack of clarity, overthinking, headaches, feeling disconnected from intuition. And then how you balance it out is you meditate and focus on visualization exercises. There are also lots of meditation videos on the channel. If you need any, go check them out. They have all different themes. They're all different lengths, anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour, I think, so far. So also another thing you could do to balance it out would be to spend time in a quiet reflection or practice mindfulness. Like be aware. Just be aware. Acknowledge and aware, like witness, just observe, be an observer. And then you can use affirmations such as like I trust my intuition and inner wisdom, building your confidence, solidifying it as belief by repeating it and saying it out loud. And then the crystals that carry the properties that are good for, or that go with the third chakra are interesting how I didn't have this trouble with the throat chakra, right? With the communicating. All of a sudden, I'm getting it with the third eye chakra. What's happening? Do I need to balance this out? So anyway, the crystals that are good for representing the third eye chakra is going to be amethyst. I have lots of amethysts in the form of jewelry and pendants. Big giant amethysts. I could show you all my crystals if ever you want to. Just leave a comment and let me know, and then I'll do a video on crystals and I'll show you some of the ones that I have. They're quite pretty. Okay, back to the third eye chakra. Crystals are amethyst, lapis, lazuli, and fluorite. All right, here we go. Crown chakra, located right at the top of your head. And the color that represents it is either violet or white, usually. The element, it's thought and universal energy. That is the element. The purpose of the crown chakra connects you to your higher consciousness, divine energy, and spiritual alignment. Signs of imbalance will be feeling disconnected, lack of purpose, depression, migraines even. And then how you balance them out, you're going to practice meditation and prayer, spend time in nature, focus on gratitude. I think I have gratitude affirmations video on the channel as well. If you need those, go check them out. The best defense against negative thoughts, negative feelings is gratitude, right? You can't be angry and thankful at the same time. So it's really good. It's a really good practice to balance yourself out for so many other reasons as well. Then you'll use affirmations like I am connected to the divine with my higher self. And the crystals that are associated with the crown chakra are going to be your clear quartz, your cerulean. I just had a clear quartz around here. I don't know where did I put it? And oh, right here. Look at that. There's some clear quartz. Selenite and amethyst. Oh, here we are with the amethyst again. Yeah, so again, if you want me to do a video explaining the different crystals and properties and energies and things like that, just go ahead and put a comment. And if there's enough interest, I will definitely do one for you. So, your chakras, they're like a roadmap to understanding your body, mind, and spirit. By learning to balance and align them, you can unlock a new level of harmony and fulfillment in your life. Which chakra are you most curious about? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to spread the love and knowledge. Plus, as promised, here's your bonus tip. Did you know that you can use a simple pendulum test to quickly identify which chakra might need attention? Indeed, you can. You hold a pendulum over each chakra area and observe its movement. If there's like no movement at all, it could represent that there's a blocked chakra. And if there's excessive movement in the pendulum, it might indicate overactivity. So try it out. Let me know what your results are. And until next time, stay balanced and keep shining.